How to unblock Chrome Web Store on Chromebook. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can unblock your Chrome Web Store on Chromebook. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. If you're using Chromebook and you're not being able to find a Chrome Web Store so that you can install or add extensions, now Chromebook does have Chrome Web Store. The only reason it might be hidden is if you're browsing as a guest or in incognito. So if you're using a guest mode or incognito mode, you won't find the option to use Chrome Web Store. Or if you use a Chromebook at work or at school, right? So if it's not a private Chromebook and you're using a school's Chromebook, then that is the second reason why this happens. Normally, otherwise, to find your Chrome Web Store, you can simply go to the website, which is chromewebstore.google.com. And whether you're using Chromebook, it doesn't matter because you will be able to install these extensions for your Chromebook. So I hope the video helped you out. And if you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.